Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. Let's go over some of our words and sounds we've been learning. So check out, I have a silent E that hops over one consonant, makes the A say A. Late, main, notch, ledge. Let's cover up our suffix. Our base word is trick, tricks. Cover up our suffix. Hand, ed, handed. Remember, when our base word ends in a D or T, we say ed. Cover up our suffix. Box, es, boxes. Cover up our suffix. Fill, ing, filling. And we have a two-syllable word because there's two vowel sounds. Our first syllable, can, D. In a two-syllable word, Y says E, candy. Let's go back and read these together and read them a little bit stronger, a little bit smoother. Read them with me. Late, main, notch, ledge, tricks, handed, boxes, filling, candy. Can you read these words if you like cats as your favorite animal? Here we go. Late, main, notch, ledge, tricks, handed, boxes, filling, candy. What about if you can read these if you like dogs as your favorite kind of pet? Late, main, notch, ledge, tricks, handed, boxes, filling, candy. Let's play a little game. I'm thinking of a word and it's the opposite of being early. If you like to get early, go early somewhere, the opposite would be late. I'm thinking of a word and it's when you see a magic performer do this. He's doing magic tricks. I'm thinking of a word and it's more than one. So there's not just one, something that you would put things in to hold, but there's many boxes. I'm thinking of a word and it's something sweet that you eat. Candy, right? I'm thinking of a word and it's a noun. It's a thing that lions have around their face. It's hair. Horses have this. A mane, right? I'm thinking of a word and it's an action word, a verb. And it's what you do with your water bottle with water. Filling, you're doing it right now. All right. This time I want you to shout the word out before I exit out. Candy, notch, tricks, filling, main, boxes, ledge, late, handed. Now let's go over. We've been working on the I consonant E. The E hops over one consonant and makes the I say its name of I. The E is silent, so it could be any consonant in there. Here we go. You echo read or read at the same time as me. Live, hive, drive, like, bike, spike, mile, while, file. I hear that L sound. Oh. Now remember, this is just a K. Why? Because the E is hopping over one consonant. So you need that K to go there, not a CK. This word is tricky because sometimes we can read that word as live. Like I live here. And sometimes we say live, like a live fish. We know it says we have our no English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. All right, read these again with a stronger first grade voice. Here we go. Live, hive, drive, like, bike, spike, mile, while, file. Can you read these again? If you wish you had a pet rabbit. Do you wish you had a pet rabbit? Here we go. Live, hive, drive, like, bike, spike, mile, while, file. Do you see any rhyming words with the same ending consonants? They all have the same vowel. I see some. You shout it out. I see live, hive, and drive. They're in the Ive family. Do you see more? I see like, bike, and spike. They're in the Ike family. I see mile, while, file. They're in the Isle family. They all had a rhyming family. All right, this time you shout the word out before I say it. Bike, spike, hive, drive, file, mile, live, like, while. Good. Now this time, let's get our paper and our date. It is February the 2nd, 2021. All right. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say k, as in duck. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, k is spelled C-K. Write me the lowercase letters that say j, as in bridge. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, j is spelled D-G-E. Write me the lowercase letters that say I, as in bike. How do we get that I sound? I, consonant E. Write me the lowercase letter that says E, as in funny. In a two-syllable word, Y says E. Write me the lowercase letters that say br, like brush. It's a BR, check your B. Write me the lowercase letter that says sh, as in ship. It's an SH. Write me the lowercase letter that's a suffix. It comes at the end of the word and alters the meaning, and it means more than one. And we say when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. Like in foxes and boxes, more than one. Write me the lowercase letters that's a suffix, and it means right now. You are doing something now, and it says ing. I-N-G says ing. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letters that has three sounds, ed, d, t, and it means in the past. It already happened. It's our suffix ed. Write me the lowercase letters that say A, as in cake. A, consonant E says A. Write me the lowercase letters that say or z, and it means more than one, like cats, dogs. It's just the S. All right, let's get ready to tap out our words. Our first word is plain. Ready? Plain. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. How do we get that A sound? Ain. A consonant E. We need the E to hop over one consonant to make the A say A. And we don't hear the E, it's silent. Our next word, cape. Ready? K-ape. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Which kind of K is it? If I hear the roundy vowel of A, we need that roundy C. Ape. How do we get the A sound? A consonant E. Cape. Our next word is patch. Ready? Patch. Ooh, I hear that ch at the end of a 1-syllable word. After one short vowel, it's saying ah. Ch is spelled T-C-H. Short vowel says it sound ah, so we have that ch sound. Our last one is ledge. Ready? L-edge. Ooh, 3 sounds, but 5 letters. I hear that j at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. Let's go back and read these words together. You read them at the same time as me. Plain, cape, patch, ledge. At our diamond, we're working on that I sound. I consonant E says I. As in bike, I consonant E says I. I consonant E says I. As in bike. The E hops over one consonant and makes the I say I. And the E is silent. All right, let's flip over. We're going to do some I words. Our first word is to tap out. File. Ready? I-O. That L sound has that O. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. I-O. How do we get that I sound? I consonant E. File. Let's try live. Ready? I-V. I-V. How do we get the I sound? I consonant E, and no English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. Our next word is like. Like. Like's been an OG memory word. Like. Remember, when we hear that K sound with our long vowel, it's just a K, because the E hops over only one consonant. Like. Has to be that strong K. Our last word is mile. M-I-O. Ooh, it rhymes with file. How do we get that I sound? O, I, consonant E, silent E. Let's go back and read these words together. File, live, like, mile. All right. We don't have a brand new memory word. We had this yesterday. It's a math word. M-O-R-E, more. Like 6 is more than 5. It means bigger. Let's look at it. Let's skywrite. Here we go. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. Let's write it. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. Let's look at it again. Get ready to skywrite. M-O-R-E says more. Can you close your eyes and try it? M-O-R-E says more. Can you do it without looking? And then you can check it with me. More. M-O-R-E. Do you remember how to spell the number word 2? Can you do it without looking? It has a letter in it that's silent. T-W-O says 2. It's the number word 2. Do you remember how to spell look? I have a trick for you. Look. L-O-O-K. Remember, our O's are the eyes. Look. All right, let's get ready for our sentence. Cops might be a telling sentence, might be an asking sentence, might be a sentence with expression and need the exclamation point. And yes, we go from left to right. Here's our sentence. Just listen first. I like to ride my bike. This isn't hard. I like to ride my bike. 6 words. Remember, I by itself is always uppercase. I, do you remember like? Like. It's been a memory word. Like. Remember, it's just a K. I consonant E. I like to ride. Ride. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Ride. What makes the I say I? I consonant E, silent E. I like to ride my bike. Bike. Rhymes with like. If you can spell like, you can spell bike. I consonant E says I. I like to ride my bike. All right. So I'm just telling you, I like to ride my bike. If it's a telling sentence, it's just a period. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. All right, good job today, boys and girls.